Hey, this is Audi A7 with a power tailgate, and I'm going to show you how to set this automatic tailgate to stop at different position. So right now I believe this is maximum position, which is pretty high. Let's say that you are short and you cannot reach those buttons, or maybe you are parking in a underground parking lot, and this is just too high to operate the trunk without hitting the ceiling. So what we are going to do is press this button once, just to make this trunk start to close. Then I'm going to press it again to stop it in the desired position, and then I'm going to program this new position as the default. So right now this is the high position, and let's do it once. Second one, this is my desired position, and right now let's press and hold on this button, and we had the sound, we had the indicators. So let's close the trunk and let's check if the new position was stored. Yeah, exactly. And if you want to make this default position, this learned position, higher, you need to push it upwards, like so, to the desired position. And once again, press and hold over here, wait for the indicators and the confirmation sound, and right now the new position is stored. That's it.